In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever wished for a private set of prompts to guide you while presenting, speaker notes are exactly that. They help you remember key points, transitions, and reminders without cluttering your slides, and they're visible to you during the presentation through the presenter console, not to your audience. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Open the presentation you're working on, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. By default, you'll land in the normal slide view, which shows the slide canvas and your layout tools. To actually see and edit your speaker notes, you need to switch the view. Go to the View menu at the top of the screen and select Notes. This changes the workspace, so you can focus on what you'll say rather than what your audience sees. It's a dedicated area designed just for your speaking cues. Once you're in Notes view, you'll notice a preview of your current slide at the top and a large text area beneath it. The slide preview reminds you of the visual that will be on screen, while the text box below is where your notes live. You can move through your slides as usual, and each slide has its own separate notes area. If you need more room, you can drag the divider to resize the notes section, making it easier to read and edit. Click the area that says, "Click to add notes," and start typing. Keep your notes practical. Short phrases, timing cues, and reminders like, "Demo starts here," or "Pause for questions." If a sentence helps you stay smooth, that's fine. Just avoid writing paragraphs you'll be tempted to read verbatim. Think of notes as prompts that support your delivery, not a script you must stick to word for word. You can format your text like any other document, apply bold for emphasis, italics for tone, or simple line breaks to separate ideas. Just remember that during the actual presentation, the presenter console often displays notes as plain text. Fancy formatting may not carry over, so rely on clear wording, spacing, and capitalization to highlight key points. If you want, use simple separators like dashes or blank lines to make scanning easier while you're speaking. That's all there is to it. Open Impress, switch to Notes view, use the lower text area to add your cues, and format lightly for readability. With thoughtful notes in place, you'll present with more confidence and fewer surprises.